Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to search Yahoo Mail by date. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right in the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now, in order to search Yahoo Mail by date, what you need to do is head over to your browser and then type in mail.yahoo.com, right? And once you type on it and once you enter, here you'll be sent to your Yahoo Mail homepage, right? Now, in order to search the mail by date, what you need to do is click on this down arrow on the search bar, right? Where it says advanced. And now, simply here, what you need to select is if you want to select the mail or if you want to select all mail or your specific folder, you can select it from here. Like for example, you can select it from inbox or drafts and so on, right? And now while selecting that, let me just select inbox, and now here under the date option you can just click it, and here you have these three options that says in the last 7 days, in the last 30 days, or custom dates, right? Now the preference is for your liking. Now if you don't, now you can just simply click on the custom dates as well, and here you can enter the date from when to when you want the mail to load, right? And now all you gotta do is click on search, and once you do that, your filter will be added to your messages and it will show all the mail by date. And that's basically how you do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.